Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and entering the address or coordinates. This pins the location and lets you quickly access Street View. Once done, zoom in until the map shows a small Street View thumbnail or a human pegman icon. Make sure you're at close enough zoom level so streets appear. Otherwise, Street View won't be offered. If the pin is slightly off, drag it precisely to the road to reveal the Street View option and prepare to enter the interactive view. You now enter Street View by dragging Pegman to the highlighted road or tapping the thumbnail. Once inside, orient yourself by moving the mouse or swiping with your finger. Use the directional arrows on screen to travel along the street and click perpendicular streets to make turns. This simulates walking through the area. Pay attention to the location label and date stamp in the corner so you know how recent imagery is. If you need a precise vantage, click the circular hotspots to jump to exact camera position. To finish, capture or share the exact street view by clicking the three-dot menu or camera/share icon, which gives you a permalink and screenshot options. When you're done, use the back arrow to return to map mode, and if the view looks wrong, drop the pin again closer to the road or re-enter Street View from a different angle. If imagery is absent, try adjacent streets, switch to satellite, or understand that some areas are restricted or not yet photographed. That's the likely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.